In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make health potions in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire the materials and craft potions for yourself in Arcane Lineage. So, first, you will need to have access to a cauldron. If you are on the starting city, you will be able to go over to this little building with this potion icon, and once you go inside of the building, you will find a lot of cauldrons that you can use for free. Alternatively, you can also spawn one if you are an alchemist. Regardless, you just need to have access to a cauldron. Now, once you do, you will be able to walk up to it, open your inventory, and pick up any items that you will be using to make potions. Now, to make a small healing potion, you will need one Ever Thistle and one slime chunk. The slime chunk can obviously be acquired from just killing slimes, and for the Ever Thistle, you will have to acquire it as a herb around the crossing, specifically at the base of some trees. I'm gonna show you how to acquire a lot of materials on screen, but remember that for the small healing potion, the items that we're looking for are the slime chunk, which you can get from killing slimes, and one Ever Thistle. The small healing potion is going to heal about 20% of your HP, and all that you have to do is hold the slime chunk, hold the Ever Thistle, and then interact with the cauldron. Now, because my character is a newbie, I won't be able to show you this process on screen, but it's as simple as putting it out on your hand, walking up to the cauldron, and you will be able to place both of the items. Once both are in, mix them up, and you will get one small healing potion. So for every one slime chunk and one Ever Thistle, you will be able to get one small healing potion. You can repeat this process as needed, and you can make other different kinds of potions, which might be able to grant you different bonuses. But for actually healing your HP, you either need to make a small healing potion or a medium healing potion. I hope I was able to help you on how to make health potions in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.